Hello friends. Friends, today I'm going to share with you another trade that is housing and urban development. Friends, this share is basically related to finance sector, and obviously it has a huge potential to go up from this point because as you can see there is a breakout even at this point, but the stock is now it's ticked on its breakout point. It is neither on up and not on down. So अगर आप चाहते हो इसमें ट्रेड लेना then you can definitely engage on it. Friends, before explaining this trade how to execute, I am going to show you another trade that I have taken, that is India Bull Housing Finance Limited. And when this trade I have not posted on my YouTube channel because I was just checking that whether this trade is really going to benefit me or not. But as obviously it has benefited me around, you can see I have take took entry on 251 and now it's trading on 287. So you can find out the difference. I have taken a trade on here. Okay, fine. First of all, it has given a breakout again, then it retraced back, and again it goes up. So basically, I will not exit from this trade until I achieve my target which I have set up. Obviously, here I am playing a trail stop loss. I have increased my stop loss, and obviously I and more or less I also feel that this stock has a potential in long run even because its book value is even undervalued. Okay, and obviously its financials are also good enough to look over there. So I will hold this even for a long time, but with that also I am doing here trading, so obviously I will trail my stop loss. So finally I am going to share with you about housing and urban development where to take entry. So friends, entry point is 55. Okay, now it's trading around 53.70. Obviously if it tomorrow if it opens, okay, tomorrow is it's 13 of June. So if tomorrow it opens over here, okay, then obviously it has a potential to move up. Friends, don't worry, this trade is very much reliable because I have tested, and obviously the stop loss should be 52. Okay, as you have taken a minimum 3 points stop loss, so obviously your risk reward ratio should be 1 is to 2 first time. That is minimum target you have to put is 61 should be your take profit target. Okay, and obviously if it goes above, then obviously you can trail your stop loss. So friends, this is the share status, and even if I look this year from long term perspective, then I what I feel is that it has a huge potential even in long term because this stock is also currently undervalued as I have shown you in case of India Bull Housing Finance. And obviously as we know finance sector, this their main source of business is to lend money in order to build houses. Okay, so if I talk about here its financials, its fundamental, then you can see that its price is currently trading at 53 point something 65, and its market capitalization is 10,740.19 crore, which is not a little. Friends, this market capitalization is a huge. Okay, its earning per share is 7, and obviously its P ratio, which every YouTuber used to explain you that P ratio is very much essential in order to justify whether the stock is undervalued or overvalued or whether the stock is too much expensive or not. So as we can say this stock is even not expensive because industry P is 57 and it is not even a single part of it, and its book value is 64. Friend, book value is the real value which even if the company shut down tomorrow, then this at least this price the shareholder will get. So you can rely on the book value, and even if in the long run, even if the company get dissolved, then obviously you will get at least this much price, and now the currently the price is around 53 rupees as you have said, then obviously uh, it's really going to have a huge momentum in the long run. So that's all friend, thank you, and keep subscribe the channel so that if any new video I post, you get the notification instantly and you can enjoy the trade on the next day. That's all friend, have a good day.